Na way out. Consulta isusu manje makombo kuti vada kumepera way forward tayoka. Hamusi kuona kuti bhora kadai apa chita isusu. Zvobva zvadai. Ndo yedi we intervene pazvine zvaomesesa pai. Saka pa ndine gombo remangoma. Mangoma kune zvikunetsa zvatisingakwanisi kutaura edu zvakawanda. But zvakupera manje. Plus gombo ari nguoyeka mune mato consulta vakuru taomerwa tapererwa todii patave panapa. Tobva zvaseta order yacho. Zvinozoona apa takwenda pa studio. Chitauro tongogona kuseka na 1 rechingoma chakaipa ipapo. Ndikakangana ndosha manyora malyrics. Ndine gombwe. Ndine gombwe. Ai. Ndine gombwe mangoma gafari no bata matare ngoma. Extra. Ai. Ndine gombwe mangoma gafari no bata matare ngoma. Bandi no zova voti ndogona. Takuti vafara ngoma. Bandi no zova voti ndogona. Ande futhi. Bandi no zova voti ndogona. Ndine takuti vafara ngoma. Ora koda. Yeah. Ndine gombwe mangoma gafari no bata matare ngoma. Bandi no zova voti ndogona. Ndine takuti vafara ngoma. Ande futhi. Marina the tiger. Marina zova voti ndogona. Ndine takuti Apo, ngoma bandi nozi tekenya.
Ande futhi. Unochema zvine mutsinga.
Chingoma ichi ndabva nacho nyika dzimu.
Yeah man.
Extra. Chingoma ichi ndabva nacho nyika dzimu. Right after all.
Chenda.
Ande. Extra ndapinda pa Melbourne zvimoko zvekukrasha head on hanzi gafa makachaja unge cellphone vanhu makaisa star mati well done. Yeah, Chigafa Chapekera Melbourne, it's happening tonight. So let's just come in numbers and have a Gafa part. See you there.
Well, this on a freestyle. I done some style expansive, and it worth more than diamond and pearl. Once over the 2006 is upliftment for the youth. The one in a overall and the one in a suit. The girl that are ugly and the one are cute. The poor people devotee. The WINKY to the D. So that one and him. Give the youth them education. Send them to school, rise up the nation. Can we want to shot them in the right direction? For a brighter destination. So that one and him. Give the youth them education. Send them to school, rise up the nation. Can we want to shot them in the right direction? For a brighter destination. Can that one and him. Give them the book, paper and pen. So them a go wise up and never be insane. Send them to school so them have to start playing. Let's stop the fight, we no ever lock in. Do it for your stuff and get 10 out of 10. And for nobody you no have to depend. The more that you work hard, the more you are gonna earn. Definitely boy you are gonna sustain, so that one and him. Give the youth them education. Send them to school, rise up the nation. No have to show them the right direction to your brighter destination, so that one and him. Give the youth them education. Send them to school, rise up the nation.